Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring OBS is updated and the LUT plugin is installed. This unlocks precise grading. Add the source you want to colorize, then duplicate it as a non-destructive backup so you can compare. Once done, open filters and add color correction. Tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation to set base tone. You're doing the how. Raise saturation for vivid colors. Lower brightness to preserve highlights. Because this base makes later LUTs and blend modes behave predictably and avoid clipping. Now you move into precise color shaping. Import a cube LUT or create one in a color editor, then add the 3D LUT filter to your source so you apply a controlled grade. Once applied, fine-tune hue shift and gamma to correct cast and midtones. Make sure to preview at 100% scale so you see actual streaming output. Next, use the duplicated layer with a blend mode like overlay or screen. Reduce its opacity to 20-60%, and you'll get richer, more dimensional color without crushing details. Finish by locking filters and saving a scene collection because you want reproducible results. Export any custom LUTs for reuse. Make sure OBS output color format matches your workflow, 8-bit versus 10-bit, and correct YUV/RGB settings to avoid banding or shifts. If colors look off on stream, recalibrate your monitor first, then try reapplying the LUT at a different opacity or toggle the color range. This fixes most mismatches. And if problems persist, revert to your duplicate source and iterate carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.